this station, you're going to be talking about summarizing your notes. So the bottom part of your Cornell Notes. We want to make these summaries short and sweet. Step 1, look at the title of the notes / the essential question. So if you can answer the essential question, answer it. If your teacher is giving you a title for the notes, if it's a statement, that's a great place to start your summary. Make sure you include the title in your summary. Step 2, look for sections in your notes. Did you learn about, maybe you learned about novels, short stories, and poems. If there are titles in your notes, those all need to go in your summary. Maybe you learned about variables, graphs, and formulas. Make sure you mention all the subheadings in your summary. If you took notes from a PowerPoint, typically that would be the title of each slide. Step 3, look for repeated words. Did you find yourself writing the word theme a lot? Well, then theme needs to go in the summary. Did you write x equals often? Mention how you figured out what x equaled that day in your summary. Step 4 is don't go overboard. A summary is a shortened synopsis of what you learned that day. Keyword shortened. You do not have to write everything you learned here. A good hint would be if you write what you remember about a lesson at the end of the day in the summary, that's probably the amount of information that should be in a summary. So if you went to Math Blue 1 and you write about what you learned that day during seminar, what you remember in seminar is probably a good summary of what you learned Blue 1. Okay, so now we're going to practice. The following slide features some example notes. I want you to take out a piece of paper and write your own summary using the steps we just practiced.